Specialty tools and custom tool grinding is where we started as a company. We make all different types of cutting tools. Our niche market has been in the past custom cutting tools for medical and R&D development type of accounts.
We do a lot of tight tolerance work, a lot of special tools that other companies necessarily can't make, but we have the niche that we can.
I don't know, I take a lot of pride in being able to manufacture tools that a lot of people can't or are not willing to manufacture too, because they're pretty tough tools.
A lot of times, whatever customer tries to dream up, we'll make it, or we'll at least give it an honest shot.
Someone can trust you for their hardest tool, their most difficult tool. They can trust you that much more to make the tool that's easy or standard, and then have that same quality on top of that is really something that we strive for.
No matter what you need, whether it's a special, whether it's a high volume run, that we can meet either of those. It's going to be right and it's going to work.